Hi everyone, Russell here again. We're going to be installing the Talon switch plate with voltmeter. There's the stuff that comes in the kit right there. Step one is going to be saying goodbye to the nice storage area. This cover is going to go in there. You're going to mark each of these. I use a Sharpie to mark it. Pull it out and then drill with a 5/16 drill bit. Once you complete that, you'll see a hole down there in the bottom left hand corner. That's an 1.5 inch hole, or 38 millimeter. Okay, for the voltmeter switch plate, you basically run the cable through that 1.5 inch hole in the back, go out the other side, and you're going to take off this cover. And I zip tied it to this other wire loom and ran it out through the back. So here's the wires running from the back. This is for the switch plate. Coming in right here to the connector. And then the sub harness will bolt right up to the positive, to the negative, and clip in right there. So I just have it zip tied all the way up. And then you'll cover the battery back up.